Many people think of credit cards as just a way to pay or build credit. But did you know your card could offer perks like free travel insurance or extended warranties? These lesser-known benefits can save you money and hassle, making your card even more valuable. In this video, we'll get into some of the best hidden perks credit cards have to offer and explain how to make the most of each one. Keep watching and comment if one catches your eye. Let's get started. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Purchase protection. Purchase protection is a benefit that covers items bought with your card against damage or theft. If something you recently bought breaks or gets stolen, your credit card company may reimburse you. This protection can save you the hassle of dealing with the store or manufacturer directly. Many cards offer this coverage for a limited period, often up to 90 days after purchase. Check your card's policy for purchase protection details. Coverage limits and conditions vary, so read your card agreement. Some cards may offer high coverage caps, while others limit claims, as well as varying timeframes other than 90 days. Knowing your card's policy can help you make smarter purchases and gain confidence in your buying decisions. Number 2. Extended warranty. An extended warranty can provide additional peace of mind when buying electronics, appliances, or other high-value items. Credit cards with this perk will add extra time to the manufacturer's warranty, usually up to 1 additional year. This means you're covered longer if an item stops working after the original warranty expires. This extension can save you from purchasing costly warranty plans at the store. Review your card's terms to see what items qualify, as some may not be eligible, or some may not be the usual 1 additional year. This perk often applies automatically when you pay with your card, so you get protection without additional steps. Number 3. Price protection. Price protection allows you to receive a refund if an item you purchased with your card drops in price soon after you bought it. Some credit cards will cover the difference if you find the same item at a lower price within a specified time frame. Though take note that this feature has become less common and may not be available with all major card issuers. This feature is helpful for items that frequently go on sale. To claim a refund, check the card's policy for price protection details. Each card has specific rules about eligible items, claim limits, and refund caps. By understanding these, you can potentially save more on major purchases, especially during seasonal sales or promotions. Number 4 on our list of hidden credit card perks is return protection. Return protection is a perk that helps when a store won't accept a return, yet you want to return the item. Though there are often claim period limits and certain items may not be eligible, if you're within the return protection period, your credit card provider may refund the purchase price. This is valuable for buyers who shop at stores with strict return policies. Cards with this perk often have a limited claim period, so submit returns promptly. The return protection benefit can ease your concerns about making purchases at stores with less flexible policies. It's a safeguard that gives you the confidence to try out products. Number 5. Trip cancellation and interruption insurance. Many credit cards offer trip cancellation and interruption insurance to protect your travel plans. If you have to cancel or cut short a trip due to a covered reason, like illness or severe weather, this insurance can cover prepaid costs. This benefit can include refunds for flights, hotels, and other non-refundable expenses. Understanding your card's specific coverage details is essential before relying on this insurance. Coverage limits and eligible reasons vary by card, so check with your card issuer to confirm the specific details. Knowing you have this insurance can provide peace of mind when planning expensive trips. Number 6. Baggage delay insurance. Baggage delay insurance can help ease the inconvenience of waiting for your luggage. This benefit provides compensation if your checked luggage is delayed by a certain number of hours, usually between 6 to 12 hours depending on the card. Many cards will reimburse you for essential items you need while waiting for your bags. To use this benefit, keep receipts of items you buy due to a delayed bag. Each card sets specific conditions and limits, so be aware of what your card covers. This perk can make a stressful travel situation easier by helping you stay comfortable until your belongings arrive. Number 7. Travel accident insurance. Travel accident insurance offers financial protection in the event of an accident while traveling. This coverage can apply if you're injured or worse during a trip booked with your credit card. The insurance usually covers flights, trains, or other public transportation paid with your card. Check your card's terms for exact coverage details, including payout limits and exclusions. Travel accident insurance is a benefit you may never need, but it can provide a sense of security. For frequent travelers, this protection offers additional reassurance on every trip. Number 8 on our list of hidden credit card perks is Auto Rental Collision Damage Waiver. The Auto Rental Collision Damage Waiver can be an alternative to purchasing rental car insurance. When you rent a car and pay with your card, this benefit may cover damages in case of an accident or theft. This can save you the daily insurance fees that rental companies charge. But this coverage is typically secondary to your own auto insurance unless specified otherwise. Not all credit cards offer the same level of coverage, so review your card's specifics. Some cards only cover certain car types or have location restrictions. Understanding this benefit can help you decide on insurance options before you pick up a rental car. Number 9. Rental car discounts. Aside from collision damage waivers, there are also rental car discounts. Some cards partner with rental agencies to offer exclusive discounts or extra perks like free upgrades. This benefit can make car rentals more budget-friendly, particularly for longer trips. Before booking, check if your card offers discounts with specific rental companies. These partnerships can help you secure lower rates without needing extra memberships. For frequent travelers or those renting for vacations, this perk can make travel smoother and more affordable. Number 10. Airport lounge access. Some credit cards offer access to airport lounges, which can transform your travel experience. These lounges provide a relaxing space with amenities like comfortable seating, snacks, and Wi-Fi. Lounges can also offer a quieter environment, helping you relax before your flight. Your credit card may grant complimentary access to select lounges or discounted entry. Cards vary in terms of lounge partnerships and guest policies, so check the details beforehand. For frequent travelers, this perk can make airport time more pleasant and productive. Number 11. Complimentary concierge services. Concierge services are often available on higher-end credit cards and can assist with a wide range of requests. This service can help you book restaurant reservations, secure event tickets, or even make travel arrangements. A personal concierge can save you time by handling these tasks on your behalf. To access this service, call your credit card's concierge hotline. This perk is useful for busy individuals or those needing assistance with travel planning. It's like having a personal assistant available whenever you need one, without extra cost. Number 12 on our list of hidden credit card perks is cell phone protection. Cell phone protection is a lesser-known benefit on some credit cards. Though it often comes with deductibles and limits on the maximum reimbursement amount, you usually qualify by paying your phone bill with the card offering this benefit. If an incident occurs, the card issuer may reimburse you for repairs or replacement. Coverage details vary, so read your card's terms to understand deductible amounts and limitations. With this benefit, you can avoid paying out-of-pocket costs for phone repairs. This perk can provide peace of mind if you rely on your phone for daily tasks. Number 13. Identity theft assistance. Identity theft assistance is a valuable service offered by some credit cards, providing support if your personal information is stolen. Though the level of assistance can range from full resolution services to basic guidance. This benefit can include guidance on recovering lost information, canceling compromised cards, and other steps. Some cards may even offer reimbursement for costs tied to recovering your identity. Check with your card issuer to learn what services are included under identity theft assistance. Knowing this support is available can help you act quickly if your identity is stolen. Having expert guidance can be crucial when dealing with complex identity theft issues. Number 14. Free FICO credit score. Many credit cards offer free access to your FICO credit score, allowing you to monitor your financial health. Regular access to your credit score can help you make informed financial decisions. This benefit is especially valuable if you're working on improving your credit. Checking your credit score frequently can help you catch errors or changes. Some issuers even provide resources to help you understand your score. Having regular updates can help you stay on top of your financial status without additional costs. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 15. No foreign transaction fees. No foreign transaction fees mean you can use your card abroad without paying extra charges. Many credit cards add fees for purchases made in foreign currencies, but some cards waive these fees. This perk can save you a significant amount when traveling internationally, but it's more common with travel-oriented or premium credit cards. Before traveling, confirm that your card offers this benefit, as not all cards waive these fees. With no foreign transaction fees, you can enjoy more flexibility with purchases abroad. This perk is especially beneficial for frequent travelers or those planning an international trip. Number 16 on our list of hidden credit card perks is roadside assistance. Roadside assistance offers help for car troubles, but using the service may involve additional costs. Some credit cards offer this benefit, covering services like towing, flat tire repairs, and jump starts. This perk can save you the cost of a standalone roadside assistance plan. Each card's roadside assistance offerings differ, so review your card's policy to know what's covered. Having this service can be helpful in emergencies, especially for those who often travel by car. It's a practical benefit that adds convenience and security on the road. Number 17. Free shipping and online shopping benefits. Some credit cards provide free shipping perks, often through partnerships with online retailers. This benefit can include waived shipping fees, faster delivery, or exclusive deals. These perks make online shopping more convenient and can help you save on delivery costs. Look into any partnerships your card may have with popular online stores. Each card's offers may vary, with different terms for participating retailers. This perk is valuable for frequent online shoppers, as it can help reduce overall spending on purchases. Number 18. Special access to sports and events. Special access to sports and events is another perk available on certain credit cards. These perks may include early ticket access, exclusive seats, or meet and greet opportunities. This benefit lets cardholders enjoy premium experiences for concerts, games, and other events. Check with your card issuer to learn about upcoming events and access details. Many issuers promote these offers through email or mobile apps. For fans of live events, this perk can provide a more memorable experience and is an exciting way to benefit from your card. Number 19. Annual fee waiver offers. Some credit cards offer an annual fee waiver after you meet specific spending requirements. This waiver allows you to avoid paying the yearly fee by reaching a spending threshold, but keep in mind that it often only applies for the first year. For those considering premium cards with high fees, this waiver can make trying the card more accessible. To take advantage of this offer, check if your card provides a waiver for certain spend levels. If you qualify, you won't need to worry about the fee in your first year. This benefit can be especially appealing if you're deciding between two similar cards and want to test one first. Number 20 on our list of hidden credit card perks is statement credits for travel expenses. Statement credits for travel expenses can reduce the cost of trips booked with your card. Many cards offer credits for purchases like flights, hotels, or even transportation. This credit shows up directly on your statement, effectively lowering your travel spending. Statement credits can range starting with one-time credits to annual benefits. Understanding your card's policy helps you make the most of these travel credits. These perk benefits anyone who travels regularly or plans significant travel expenses, offering a simple way to offset costs. Number 21. Health and wellness discounts. Some credit cards partner with wellness brands to offer discounts on health services. These discounts may include gym memberships, spa services, or online workout subscriptions. If you enjoy focusing on wellness, these discounts can help you stay fit without spending as much. Check your card's offers page to see if any wellness discounts apply. Some cards promote these discounts regularly or run special promotions. This perk adds value for those interested in health, making wellness services more accessible and affordable. Number 22. Cashback on utilities. Some credit cards offer cashback on utility payments, helping you save on monthly expenses. This benefit can include rebates for electricity, water, or internet bills. Check your card's terms to see if utilities qualify for cashback rewards. This perk is a practical way to lower household costs while earning rewards for everyday spending. Number 23. Online shopping portals with extra rewards. Many credit cards have online shopping portals where purchases earn extra rewards. These portals link to popular retailers and offer bonus points or cashback on qualifying purchases. Using these portals can help you maximize rewards on routine or larger purchases. To benefit, access the portal through your card issuer's website or app. The portal may feature seasonal promotions or limited time offers, adding extra value. For online shoppers, this perk is a convenient way to earn more without changing shopping habits. Number 24 on our list of hidden credit card perks is dining credits for select restaurants. Some cards offer dining credits when you dine at certain restaurants or order takeout. This benefit can cover a portion of your meal, effectively reducing the bill. It's a valuable perk for food lovers, allowing you to enjoy dining experiences for less. Check with your card issuer for participating restaurants and any spending requirements. Dining credits may refresh annually or seasonally, so keep track of expiration dates. This perk allows you to explore more dining options without feeling the full financial impact. Number 25. Subscription service rebates. Subscription service rebates reimburse you for charges on popular streaming or digital services. Many cards offer rebates on platforms like Netflix, Spotify, or fitness apps. By covering part of your subscription, this benefit makes entertainment or wellness more affordable. To qualify, pay your subscription bill with the card offering the rebate. Some cards have monthly limits on rebates, so review your card's terms. This perk is ideal for households that frequently use digital subscriptions, giving you savings on services you enjoy regularly. Number 26. Pet-related discounts and coverage. Pet-related benefits offer discounts on pet insurance, grooming, or even veterinary care. Some cards recognize pet expenses and partner with companies that provide pet-related services. This perk can be helpful for pet owners managing costs of pet care. To find out if your card includes these discounts, review the benefits section. These offers may rotate or change, so stay informed on current partnerships. For pet owners, this benefit can reduce the financial impact of routine or emergency pet expenses. Last on our list of hidden credit card perks is specialized insurance for lost luggage. Specialized insurance for lost luggage offers compensation if your bags go missing during a trip. Unlike delayed baggage coverage, this benefit provides financial reimbursement for items lost permanently. It's a valuable safeguard for travelers worried about losing personal belongings. If your luggage is declared lost, the insurance will cover the cost of replacement items. This benefit can apply to all types of travel, but each card has specific limits. Knowing this coverage exists gives peace of mind, allowing you to travel with confidence. By now, you've likely realized that credit cards offer far more than a convenient way to pay. The range of perks, starting with price protection to free FICO score access, can transform your card into a powerful financial tool. While not every card offers the same benefits, taking the time to understand what's available to you can lead to real savings and peace of mind. Next time you pull out your card for a purchase or trip, think about these hidden advantages. Protecting your purchases, getting reimbursed for travel issues, and saving on rentals are just a few ways your credit card can give back more than you might expect. Make sure to explore your card's fine print. You may discover even more perks you hadn't considered. It's time to maximize what's already in your wallet. What will you use your credit card perks for next? Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.